Welcome to Marketing Tip for Hairstylist Friday. So what I'm going to talk about today is all about why you should have a Black Friday offer, why it's beneficial for you, and at the end of this episode, I am going to talk a little bit about 2 podcast episodes that I have created for you guys, all about how you can create amazing Black Friday offers, both for new clients and your existing clientele, so that you can thrive in your hairstyling business. So here I have 10 reasons why you should have some kind of Black Friday offer going on. Number 1 is all about attracting new clients. Having some kind of great offer can actually help you to bring in new clients into your chair, because some people might be overwhelmed. They are saving money for Christmas, and people are actually saving money to invest in amazing Black Friday offers. So if you get to offer some kind of amazing Black Friday offer for new hair clients, maybe it's a discount, maybe it's buy one get one free, or something that gets them the incentive to move from maybe this is the right hairstylist for me, maybe I should book an appointment with this person, to falling into the category of, oh, I really have to book an appointment, use this offer for this. So it helps you to have all of those people that are tilting, maybe it's the right time, maybe it's the right fit, to actually move from a maybe to a hell yes. Number 2 is to boost your revenue. I have heard that a lot of hairstylists are talking about that they're having a slow month. We know that January usually is slow after Christmas, so why not offer something in these slow periods, especially for this, to actually have people to get the incentive to come and book an appointment in these time periods, so that you can actually boost your revenue, get more money into your business and so on. Number 3 is, we all, as hairstylists, we all have all of these weird gaps where no one wants to book their appointment in. You probably have those gaps where you know that Tuesday morning is never booked, or whatever that is for you. Create a special offer for these gaps so that you can actually fill them. It's better to make some money on those gaps rather to have them blank. So it can help you to fill all of those awkward times, and you know what those are for you. Number 4 is that you can increase your client retention. It can help you to have people come more and more into your salon and help you to build that long trust with your clients. Number 5 is to actually remind people that you exist. So enhance your brand awareness, so that people remember, yeah, I know that place, I want to go there, that is something that I want to do. Number 6, in your shelves of inventory of all of those amazing hair products that you have, you probably have some that have been sitting there for quite some time and they won't leave the shelves. So now is the time. As an amazing Black Friday offer, you can actually create a special offer on all of those products that you are collecting dust for you and won't fall off the shelves. So you can actually use a Black Friday sale to clear your shelves off of all of those dust collecting products. Number 7, creating amazing Black Friday offers can actually help you to reward your loyal clients. It can help you to create an amazing offer for those regulars, for those clients that come year after year after year after year. So what is something that you can specially tailor just for them so that they feel special? And I know I have created amazing things in the podcast episode where I am talking about Black Friday offers for your clientele, and you don't want to miss out on that, because this is something where you can make a lot of money on your existing clientele and make them feel very special. So don't miss out on that. Number 8 is to actually encourage pre-booking. I was talking about earlier to fill those awkward gaps, fill those gaps where you know that my chair is going to be empty in these periods of time, because we have, as hairstylists, all of those times in our schedule where it's low time. And this can encourage you to get your clients that you already have to pre-book their next appointment with some kind of special incentive. Number 9 is to actually stand out from your competition. Use Black Friday as a way of getting in front of your existing clientele and your new clientele. Team up with another local business, create an amazing offer together, and rock with that to really get people to feel that, hey, this is the person that I want to spend more time with, this is the person I want to do their hair, etc., etc. Do this and you will see that not a lot of hairstylists are taking the time to actually creating Black Friday offers. So this is something for you to stand out. And number 10 is market testing. Maybe you want to try out a new hair service, or you want to try out some kind of service combo package that you've been having in the back of your mind, but you don't really know, is it going to work, is it going to blah 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 blah. Or maybe you have just learned a new method that you want to practice, that you know you want to have people into your chair, you want to create social media content, you want to do amazing things. Testing this kind of service package or treatment or whatever it is, and create a special offer together with some products or whatever it is, can help you to test out, are people even interested in this or not? Can I tweak this so that people really will go, wow, yes, I really, really want this. If you haven't gotten your Black Friday offers together, now is the time to do so. In the show notes and in the link down below, I will put the 2 podcast episodes that I have created. The first podcast episode is all about creating Black Friday offers that will attract new hair clients into your salon. And the second podcast episode is to create special offers for your existing clientele so that they feel valued, that they feel like they want to spend more money with you, and they feel that they will looking forward to see you because they're getting a good deal from you. So make sure to listen to them, test it out, and get your Black Friday offers out there, and you will start to see shifts happening, and you will start to see bookings coming in, because people like a deal, and especially around Black Friday, people really like that they are getting something more, and this can actually help you also boost more bookings around the holidays, more bookings in January, February when it's slow. So go ahead, start to create your amazing Black Friday offers. I see you next week for marketing tips for hairstylists. Bye for now.